Great journey starts with the right foundation. And for today's graduates, that foundation was MSL Business School, a place where high-impact learning meets tangible outcomes.
My name is Godwin Anaifa, Paper 12 Award winner for the August 2024 DITE.
My name is Paula Ayoko-Tenge, the award winner for Advanced Taxation Paper 11, and I also had the overall best student for August 2024.
My name is Isiedu Buedu, and I'm a past student of MSL Business School. I won the Best Student Award for Paper 11 Advanced Taxation Practice.
MSL Business School was instrumental in me getting this award. This as a result of how comprehensive their lectures are and also how comprehensive their materials are.
I didn't plan on making this award on the stats, but due to MSL Business School structure and how they encouraged me, their guidance and their pace throughout their studies, I was able to make this a successful one.
MSL is one of the best schools out there. It leverages on technology to provide you with a structured platform that helps you to be consistent with your learning. Not only that, you have a community of learners, you have a tutor who is both experienced in theory and practice, and all of these things have helped me to win this award.
I recommend MSL Business School to my colleagues who are yet to start the CIT professional exams or those who are still writing the CIT professional exam.
MSL is one of the best schools. MSL is the best, and I would recommend MSL to all my colleagues and friends out there.
From day one, we've been committed to empowering professionals through innovative, high-tech driven tuition, expert-led instruction, and industry-relevant practice. Whether logging into virtual classes or connecting on our cutting-edge app, our students experienced adaptable education that was personal and forward-thinking.
My name is Isako Nasiru Abubakari, a proud student of MSL Business School. I'm an award winner for oil and gas and other mineral resources graduation, paper 8.
My name is Sinogza, and I'm a student of MSL Business School.
Hello, my name is Michael Osiewusu.
MSL Business School, a school that provides a detailed explanation of all the tax concepts. And through this, I was able to excel.
It was an amazing experience doing my CIT with MSL, from the interaction in class all the way to the technology that it gives. Their app was fantastic.
My experience with the business school is a holistic one which does not only lead to student passing, but leads to a situation where one craves for knowledge and also helps making individuals better professionals.
I believe that everyone who actually goes through this MSL Business School classes, both ICAG or CIT, you are really, really destined to actually pass. I love MSL, and I'm glad that I actually did this with MSL.
MSL Business School, welcome to excellence and welcome to world class.
Hello, my name is Dominic Abasiyere. I study with MSL Business School. They are one of the best teaching providers you ever find in Ghana. Their app is very, very seamless and very good for you to use. I recommend it for you any day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandra, a very proud student of MSL Business School. For me, my experience with MSL was just incredible. What I love so much about MSL is the fact that they are very IT driven. I could always reach out to lectures and notes on the app every time, and also reach out to our tutor. I highly recommend MSL Business School. And guess what? It was just a one-time for me. They are for ICA, for CIT, is highly guaranteed that you will pass. So MSL Business School, please sign up with them. Bye.
Today, we celebrate not just the achievements, but the vibrant professional community we built together. This is the story of excellence.
MSL Business School is committed to excellence.
MSL Business School provides a flexible learning experience.
MSL Business School leverages technology to enhance learning. The app is very, very great, and MSL is a good school.
MSL Business School offers dedicated support every step of the way. Choose MSL.
MSL Business School, welcome to excellence, welcome to world class.
This is the story of MSL Business School.